Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. And today's lesson, we are seeing, I think it will be lesson 6 on our Diwani script monthly course that we are following. So today we are seeing how letter Ba'u it's seen and how it's written and its versions depending where it's being written, either starting the word or in the middle of the word or at the end of the word. So inshallah, let's see some of the examples. We are seeing our first letter, which is this Ba, this version of Ba, the big one that goes down a little bit long. So let's say this Ba'u. How does it go? It starts with, it has 4 parts. It has 4 parts. Bao has 4 parts. We have part 1, we have part 2, we have part 3, we have part 4. How does it work? You see? So here we are saying it has 4 parts. The first part, عبارة عن جزء صغير مقوس في الاتجاه ما بين الأعلى واليسار باتجاه السهم. So if you see this part, it comes from here. It has a little bit of a curve here. You see, it's like when you remember when we are seeing Ra, it's written like the beginning. It's written like Ra. It has this part, then it comes down like this. It's not long, no, it's just something short like this, and then it goes down. Let's see the second part. The second part, it's starting from here, coming down, but in a straight line. Here it has a curve. Here it's straight coming down. When you reach here, it goes straight, then it starts curving to the line, to the baseline. You see, to the baseline. And the fourth one, it's coming up, then from the baseline coming this side. Okay, that's how Ba is written. Let's see another example. It comes like this. It goes down straight, it touches the line, then it goes up. That's how Ba'u is written, either when it's long or when it's short. Those are the version of Ba'u, how it's written starting a word. Remember, as I said, when you see the starting of Ra, the single Ra, it starts like this, and the Ba also starts the same way. Don't make it long like this with this. No, this is wrong. It should be just something small. So Ra, it will come like this, then touches the line, and Ba will be like this. Then you see the difference. So let's go and see some of the examples. Let's see this example where it's Baqala. This is Ba'u, this is Qaf, this is Lam, and Ta'u. So if you're right, this one, if this is our line, it will start from up here. So this one, it has to look like how we write our alif, how we wrote our alif yesterday, but it will be very short. Don't make it long, it will become lam. When you make it long like this, it becomes lam. It has to be short. Then you put Qaf as how it's supposed to be written. Then it comes like this. Okay, this will be Ba, this will be Qaf. Remember, Diwani, it's always in a descending way. Then you will come to our lam, then our Ta. So the wadi Baqala, that's how it's written, like how it's here, Ba Baqala. And when we see this one, we see هذا النوع من الباء يأتي في سورة المصغرة. This ba comes in a small version of when it's at the beginning, and it looks like when someone is writing alif. And this ba it's written when it's being followed by sin, shin, swadi, dwadi, ta'u, dha'u, ayn, ghain, fa'u, qaf, and ya'u. For instance, if you're writing that one with ya'u, that ba with ya'u, you write like this, small, then you write our ya'u, which is this, and ba'u, or tha'u, and the other letters. Let's see when it's written with sin, you write like this. When it's short, then you add sin. This is our ba'u, how it's written. Let's see with other examples with swad. Let's see ba'u, then it comes like this. Then with swad, appear together. Then lam, it's written this way, then it's have to come back. Hope you are together. These are some of the examples of ba'u, how it's written. Let's see another example of ba'u. We are seeing another example of the same ba'u. Another example, when you are writing bur tuqa, when it's joined with qaf. Okay, this is ta'u, this is ba'u. Then we come to our lam, just like this. It will be burtuqal. It will be burtuqal. So let's see another version of ba'u which does not look like alif. It's just like this one, when it does not have that sign. It's written, this version, it's written in the beginning of a word, and it's just like the beginning of sin, like the beginning of sin. Then you just join another letter there. For instance, if you're writing the word bird, write the word bird, you just write, then you just join the ra'u, then you join the dal. This is another version of ba'u, which a little bit different from this one that has that. Let's see another version of a curve or a stroke of ba'u. We have this one. Then you join with the word. For instance, you're writing the word bihar. Writing the word bihar. So this is after like 5 minutes. So we're still seeing, and this type of ba'u, it's written when the letters below or the letters following are Jeem. When you're writing Jeem, we are writing ha'u, we're writing ha'u, we are writing kha'u, we are writing mim, we are writing even ha. So let's see some of the examples. We are writing like ba'u Jeem. See, ba'u Jeem, it's written like this. Let me repeat it. Ba'u Jeem, ba'u Jeem. If you're writing ba'u mim, ba'u mim or tha'u mim, we are seeing something like thimar. You're joining mim there, thimar, the mim, tha'u and ra. Thimar, we are writing al-bahr, al-bahr, when you're joining other letters to it, al-bahr, al-bahr, just like that. So let's see Jeem. Let's see Jeem here with its strokes, as how we saw in the beginning. So here we are a little bit explaining first stroke, second stroke, and third stroke. It's 1, 2, then 3, that goes down. We have two versions of how Jeem it's written when starting a word. We have this one. We have this one. We have this one. Hope you are together. And when we see these two differences, these two Khaa, they are written when the following letters are following it. When Jis is joined with another Ha'u, or it's read with Ra'u, or with Ha'u, or with Mim, or with Ya'u, So these are some of the letters that use this Ha'u. For instance, when you're writing the word Ar-Rahman, you write Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahman. Okay, when the Mim is joined there, Ar-Rahman, you will use this version. Okay, Ar-Rahman. You will use this version because it's joined like that. But what's different when you see that it's joined with the Ya'u at the end, but when the Ya'u is in the middle, you don't use this same Ya'u, you use this Ha'u. Okay, you see? But if it's the Ya'u that goes down, we use this one. When it goes down, we use this one. When it goes up, we use this type of Ha'u, and you'll be seeing them, inshallah. Let's see other examples. For instance, we are talking of Najah. Najahu, right? Najahu. Okay, this is lam, then we are starting the nun, then it goes, this is lam, then the nun, it's written like this, then Jeem with alf al-mad, and Najahu, then we are putting on our Ha'u, then this is how the word an-Najahu is written using this type of Ha'u. So other examples are here. You can keep on practicing them, inshallah. Let's see Al-Khalij. 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 Hope you get my point. This is Ha'u joined with lam, Ya'u, then our Jeem. Let's see another examples. Sabahun. Sabahun is Sad, Ba, then Ha'u. Okay, these are some of the examples of our Ha'u. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.